old girl with the little orphan. She's being sweet to it. It followed her in. Well, quite a little ways after her, but just now when the fawn approached her, it was cautious, but she's being sweet to it. She's being nice. She's mostly kind. And a little orphan could do worse than to follow her. She's a good one to shadow. She's a smart old girl. And kind. I saw a pair of orphans following her one day. There are at least two of them, and I think they must be a pair. Sometimes they're together, sometimes they're not. They get separated. This appears to be the smallest one, though. It's pretty tiny. Considerably smaller than Feisty the fawn. Yeah, you could do worse than to follow old gal. She's pretty good. And she's taller than other fawns. Not all of those are. In fact, some are downright mean to the other fawns that are not their own.